Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about Chevron's HumanKind program and how you can increase your charitable donations through this program. My name is Stephen Chambers and I'm a Senior Wealth Manager here at Willis Johnson & Associates. So what is the Chevron HumanKind program? It's essentially a matching gift program. They'll match your charitable donations if you're an employee and a retiree. As an employee, Chevron will match up to $10,000 of your monetary donation to your favorite charity, as long as it's a 501c3 organization. As a retiree, you can still participate in this program, and Chevron's match would be $3,000 to your favorite charity. In addition to matching your monetary donations, Chevron will also provide a monetary match for your charity hours worked. So if you worked up to 20 hours, Chevron will match $500 for every 20 hours logged. And you could apply for this grant up to 2 times per year. So what kind of donations will Chevron match? Well, the list is pretty expansive. You can make contributions via payroll deductions, through cash, or even through a credit card. You can also donate Chevron stock, which is eligible for the match. And then lastly, a donor advised fund. So what is a donor advised fund? Well, let's imagine you have highly appreciated stock in, say, Chevron, Apple, or even NVIDIA, and you want to gift that to your charity of choice. You can essentially gift the stock to what's called a donor advised fund. Now, why would you do that? Because that gain in the stock, if you sell it and then give the charity, you have to pay taxes on the gain. Gifting to a donor advised fund essentially shields yourself, the donor advised fund, and the charity from ever paying taxes. So it's a great way to not only receive a charitable deduction, but stretch those charitable dollars so they go further. Don't forget, if you do make a charitable donation in 2024, the deadline to submit the match is January 31st, 2025. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content.